Hey guys, what's up? Emil is here, and it was too long time that I didn't share the new video. So today we're just going to we're just going to write and solve new, I would say new exercises in Java. So let's go. And first of all, I'm just going to create a new Java project. So we'll just click to Control Shift P. Create Java project, no build tools, go to Java project, select the project location and write exercises in Java. So this is my project's name. I'm just going to close this window and it's here. So yeah, it worked. Now I'm just going to come here and you can see that we have a source folder. So just click here and app.java. Yeah, public class app and public class. So first of all, I'm just going to see our I would say CR exercises. Say just go to and I'll just go to Java resources. Also Java resources, yeah. Okay, our exercises. Yeah, here we go. We found it. W3Resource.com. You can see all of the actual exercises from W3Resources.com and Java exercises and data types index.php, because we're just going to solve these exercises about data types. So I have actually 15 exercises with solution, but I think we can only write some of them, like 3 or 4 of them. Yeah. So yeah, let's see our first exercise. Our first exercise says that write a Java program to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius degree. So I'm just going to rename it to first exercise and .java. Okay, and it worked. And now I'm just going to write my code. Scanner new scanner system.in, and then I'm just going to write actually I'm just going to import it first of all, and then I'm just going to system out, choose one of them. F or or C, and then I'm just going to write actually print, and then I'm just going to write string, choose it, new next line, and yeah, worked. So now I'm just going to check if, and then system out, if choose equals dot equals ignore case to f or c system out and write enter the number and enter the number, and I'm just going to say integer Celsius plus new and above next line. So each row, then we're just going to write integer, and then we're just going to write out. You just entered actually result was this. So I'm just going to say Celsius is to Fahrenheit. Thing and copy and paste the key. So it says this. C will be Celsius, and so this is our result. This is our result, and then we're just going to say else if choose it dot equals ignore case f just write same thing, but just going to say result will be Fahrenheit to Celsius. So V and 32. So the minus, it means minus 32. So this is our code. So let me just run it, see what happens. And I'm just going to say C, enter the number, for example, input mismatch exception. However, standard next and standard next. Next line. Also with this one to next line. And this one to string, and this one to string 2. After doing it, I'm just going to write something here like C2 and write into the Celsius equals C to integer string or just back. Why it needs to just give us another one. Need to just let me just see. Oh no errors. Why you need to just minus substitute and we'll just run it again. Run it again. Mhm. I found it. We need to write 36, not comma, dot 6, and it works. And I'm just running it again. Right, C 36.6. Right, it's not working. 36 comes C. Why you're not just walking? There are no errors. You just walk. I hate it. See again. 36. Result 96. I found it. We write 36.6 and 6 and it's a double. So we need to just write in a double here. So that's why it's not working. Control Shift L and so we need to just make it next double and double. And now it will work. Let me just see. C 36.6. C 36.6 and it works, you can see it. The result is 97.8.880000 and 1. So but I also write another kind of code like else write system out there are no option like that. So I'm just going to run Java again and I write something D or D, it will say there are no option like that. So it works. That was our first exercise, and our second exercise will be, I'm just going to write second. Let me just see our second exercise. See it. Our second exercise is write a Java program that reads a number in inches and converts it to meters. So test that interval. And so let me just write it. So I'm just also going to create a second exercise, exercise.java. So second exercise. Actually, I'm just going to copy all of this code. So we're just going to write that thing actually is here. And then I'm just going to import Java util L.scan. Needs to work. It worked. But now I'm just going to say M or I, and I'm just going to delete all of this code here, showing this. Just delete only this ones, and this our code. Now I'm just going to say if chooser dot equals ignore case to m, we're just going to write double source equals scan dot next double, and after doing it, I'm just going to copy this and paste it to here. Next double. So after doing it, I'm just going to print system out. Result will be, just write something here. So we need to just do actually inch. I'm just going to say inch. Control C, and at here I'm just going to say system out result divided by no, let me just see it again. Inch equals to this, and it means yeah. Yes. So just one Java game, see what happens. So I'm just going to choose M, and I'm just going to write that number. Yes, and it gives us, it works. So I'm just going to run it again, and now I'm just going to write I, and I'm just going to write, and it gives us, so it works. And also if I write F or something that's not M and I, it will say the no option like that. So it worked. That was our second exercise. So let me just see our third exercise. The third exercise is write a Java program that reads an integer between 0 and 1000 and adds all the digits in the integer. So this one is cool, pretty cool. So let me just go and write it. I don't think that I can do that. Third exercise. And main scan new and let me just write system.in, and yeah, so actually I think this is our code. I don't think I really can do that because I wanted it to do with for loop, in yesterday, but I didn't. So I just opened the solution, and let me just find it. Yeah, but it didn't fork this for loop, and this guy just writed it with manually, so it just writes the first digit and find some mod of first digit and then remaining number, and then dividing the number to 10, and then finding the second digit, and second digit is remaining numbers mode, and then remaining number equals remaining number divided by 10. So it works like this. So let me just see if I can write it. So it says system out enters the number. Actually, I'm just going to write integer. Yeah, integer number equals standard of next integer, and I'm just going to say if number less than 0, actually greater than 0, and number less than 1000, just use this. So find first digit, says number by 10, and then remaining number integer remaining equals first digit divided by 10. Yeah, oh, actually num divided by 10, number divided by 10, and then integer second digit, and it equals to remaining number 10, and then remaining number equals remaining number 10, and then integer third digit equals remaining number 10, and remaining number equals remaining number divided by 10, and then integer sum equals first digit plus second digit plus third digit, and then system out result and plus sum. Just write it in Java. I'm just going to enter 565 result 16. Works. I think it works. Yeah, it works. It says 16. So it worked. That was our sewed exercise actually. And yeah, I think you can do all of these exercises on your own ID too. So I'm just going to stop the recording, and well, see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it.